5 ways to secure funding for your small business. If you're a small business owner, securing funding can be a daunting task. But don't worry, we've got your back. Here are 5 ways to get the money you need to keep your business afloat. 1. Apply for a small business loan from a bank or credit union. Most small business owners rely on some form of financing to get their business off the ground. One popular option is to apply for a small business loan from a bank or credit union. There are a few things to keep in mind when applying for a loan, such as the amount of money you need and the repayment terms. It's also important to have a strong business plan and financial statements. The application process can take a few weeks, so it's important to start early. Once you've been approved for the loan, you'll be able to use the money to help grow your business. With careful planning and execution, a small business loan can be a great way to get your business on its feet. 2. Ask family and friends for a loan or investment. Before approaching family or friends for a loan or investment, it's important to consider your relationship with them and whether or not you're comfortable with opening up about your finances. If you decide to go ahead, be clear about the terms of the loan or investment and put everything in writing to avoid any misunderstandings down the road. It's also a good idea to have a repayment plan in place so that you can show your loved ones you're committed to repaying the money. Finally, remember to express your gratitude regardless of whether or not the loan or investment is successful. By following these steps, you'll be more likely to maintain a strong relationship with your loved ones while also giving yourself the best chance of securing the financial assistance you need. 3. Crowdsource funding through platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Crowdsourcing is a process of soliciting funds or services from a large number of people, typically via the internet. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo are 2 of the most popular crowdfunding platforms. With Kickstarter, people can pledge money to support creative projects, such as films, video games, or new technology products. Indiegogo is a bit different in that it allows people to fundraise for personal causes, such as medical bills or education expenses. Both Kickstarter and Indiegogo are excellent examples of how crowdsourced funding can be used to support a variety of projects and causes. 4. Get government grants or tax breaks available to small businesses. Many small business owners are unaware of the government grants and tax breaks that are available to them. These programs can provide essential funding for startups and ongoing operations and can help businesses to expand and create new jobs. To take advantage of these programs, small business owners should first research the various available options. The Small Business Administration website is a good place to start, as it provides an overview of the available different types of assistance. Once you have a general idea of what programs might be applicable to your business, you can then contact the relevant government agencies to obtain more information. The application process can be time-consuming, but it is worth the effort if it means gaining access to the funding that your business needs. 5. Sell equity in your company to investors. You put blood, sweat, and tears into your company. It's your baby. But at some point, you're going to have to let go a little bit if you want it to grow up strong and healthy. One way to do that is by selling equity in your company to investors. By doing so, you'll be able to raise capital that can be used to fuel your company's growth. And while it may be painful to give up a portion of ownership in your business, it's important to remember that you will still be the one calling the shots. You will just have a team of investors backing you up. So if you're ready to take your company to the next level, don't be afraid to sell a piece of it off. It just might be the best thing you ever do for your business. No matter which method you choose, remember that securing funding for your small business is an important step in ensuring its success. If you're looking for more tips on how to fund your small business, be sure to subscribe to my channel.